Hey guys, this is a follow-up video focusing on the men's footwork for our beginners partner work tutorial 1 routine. Let's begin. So guys, starting our routine with our basic step, we're on the left foot, we're going to step forwards on the left for 1, raise the right foot up and down on the spot for 2, and come together for 3. Then going the other way on the right foot, we're going to step back on the right for 5, raise the left up and down on the spot for 6, and come together for 7. So that completes our first full basic. We're now going to do it a second time on the left foot, stepping forwards and together, and then on the right step back and together. So that's your 2 full basics. Now you're going to do now a half basic on the left foot. So the same thing, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to complete this set of steps with a Cuban turn on the right foot, hooking on the right for 5, turning round for 6, and coming together for 7. So now we're going to do all of them together, 2 full basics, 1 half basic with a Cuban turn. Okay, so we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now your half, 1, 2. Now we turn, we hook, step, step. Let's do that again. So basic step and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and the half. Now we turn on the right, right, left, right, and again on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Now we turn. 5, 6, 7. Lovely. Now we're on the left foot, guys. We're going to do our open back steps. So on the left foot, we're going to step behind the heel of the right foot with the left, turning our upper body to the side. Raise the right foot up and down on the spot for 2, and come together for 3. Going on the corresponding foot on the right foot, stepping back for 5, left up and down on the spot for 6, and together for 7. So that's our first full open. Now to do it a second time on the left, we're going to step back and together, and then on the right, step back and together. Let's combine it all together with our basic steps. Left stepping forwards on 1, 2, 3, right back, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Last time, 1, 2, Cuban turn on 5, 6, open back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and one more time for good luck. On the left foot, we step forwards and together, right and together, left, forwards and together, right, back and together, left, forwards and together, right, hook, step, together, left, back and together, right, back and together, left, back and together, right, back and together. Lovely. Now for the ladies' turn, guys, we're on the left foot. We're going to step out to the side on the left for 1. We're going to cross over with the right for 2, and we're going to pivot to come round to face our partner for 3. And to finish this step, guys, on the right foot, we're going to step back and together to close. So on the left foot, we're going to turn the ladies, stepping out, across, and pivot, and right step back and close. And again on the left foot, out, across, pivot, right, back, and close. Left foot, out, across, pivot, right, back, and together. Now let's combine it all together from beginning to end. Basic step on the left, step forwards. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, left, forwards and together, back and together. Last time, forwards and together, hook on the right, turn and land, and back and together, back and together, back and together. Last time, turn for the ladies, step out, across and turn, and back and close. Let's go with the music. I'm going to do it twice through, guys, to finish. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, Cuban turn. 5, 6, 7. Open back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Turn the ladies. Out across, turn, back and close. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, Cuban turn. Hook, step, land. Open and open. Step back and together. Back, now turn. Out across, turn, back and close. Okay, ladies and gents, thank you very much. Enjoy the tutorial and we see you all soon for our next set of classes.